Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are taking a culinary journey to the sunny shores of Goa. We are cooking up a classic Goan dish that's packed with flavor, beef chili fry. This fiery and aromatic dish is a perfect blend of tender beef, vibrant spices and a touch of heat. It is a must try for everyone who loves Goan cuisine. The secret of a great Goan beef chili fry lies in the masala. We are using a special blend of Goan spices that includes red chilies, cumin, cloves and a few secret ingredients that give it that authentic Goan flavor. Now let's get cooking. We'll fry the beef until it is crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. Then we'll add our homemade masala and toss it all together until the flavors are perfectly infused. If you are new on this channel, then please hit that subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new recipes. So now let's begin. So first take a mixer jar, add 5 garlic cloves, 1 inch ginger, 2 inch cinnamon stick, 8 cloves, 25 black peppercorns, half teaspoon cumin seeds, 3 tablespoon water. Then blend this to a smooth paste. So the paste is ready. Make sure it is something like this. Then leave this aside. Then take 700 grams beef cut in strips. Add some salt to taste. Add 1 stock cube, 2 tablespoon Goan vinegar and add the masala paste which was previously made. And then give this a nice mix and marinate this for about 1 hour. Then in a hot pan add oil. Add 3 potatoes cut in French fry shape, something like this. Then simply fry the potatoes until it is nice and golden brown. Then add some salt to taste and then toss it nicely and leave it aside to use it later. Then in the same pan add oil. Then simply fry the marinated beef. Then give this a nice mix. Then simply cover it and cook it for about 20 to 25 minutes. Then give this a mix. Then simply remove the beef stock in a separate bowl. And leave it aside to use it later. Then simply add some more oil and fry it until the beef is nice and crispy. Then leave this aside to use it later. Then in a hot pan add oil. Add 2 garlic cloves chopped, 1 inch ginger chopped, 1 green chili chopped, and fry this for a few seconds. Then add 2 onions sliced and fry it until the onion is nice and soft. Then add 1 green and orange bell pepper sliced. You can use any color bell pepper you like. Fry it until the bell peppers are nice and soft. Then add 3 Kashmiri dry red chilies, 6 dry kokum, 1 tomato chopped. Add some salt to taste and fry this for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then add 2 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, half tablespoon dark soya sauce, 1.5 tablespoon tomato ketchup, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, and fry this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add the beef stock and give this a nice mix and cook it until it gets nice and thick. This will let all the vegetables to get the beef flavor. Then add the fried beef and give this a nice mix. And fry this for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then add the fried potatoes, add some chopped coriander leaves and fry this for about 2 minutes again. Then cover it and cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes on a low flame. And then give this a nice mix. And there you have it guys, a delicious and authentic Goan beef chili fry. This recipe is a taste of paradise and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I do. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes and kitchen tips. Until next time, happy cooking. Bye.